Hey, what's going on today, family? Just checking in with y'all. I actually had a specific message that I wanted to get out to you guys today that's all about the why and your purpose behind doing things. So, for those of you that already know me, you guys know that I'm a fairly smart guy. I'm pretty intelligent and I'm really inquisitive. But for those of you that do not know me, one of the special things about me is that I do not care what you do. I also don't really care how you do it. What makes me inquisitive is I care about the why behind things. I think once you know somebody's why, you can understand their purpose or you can understand their motive behind doing things. It helps make the world make a lot more sense. So today I got a really brief story that hopefully reconnects you to your why or to your purpose. And then if you don't have one of those, hopefully it kind of makes you think about that in the future. So this is an anecdote about monkeys and bananas and water. So I'm sure all you guys already know that monkeys love bananas, right? I don't know if you guys know, monkeys cannot stand water. So a sociological experiment was done where 5 monkeys were taken and put inside the cage. At the top of the cage, atop a ladder, was a bunch of bananas, right? So as soon as they let the monkeys in the cage, what do you think happened? All the monkeys tried to rush up to the top and get the bananas, right? Well, as soon as one monkey touched a banana, all the other monkeys out of all 5, they were sprayed with a big freezing cold water hose. So obviously monkeys hate, freezing cold water, so they're shivering in the cage. A second monkey looked up and tried to go up and get the bananas. And as soon as he got on the ladder and got close to the bananas, all the other monkeys were sprayed with freezing cold water again. A third monkey went to go do the exact same thing, but this time, as soon as the third monkey even touched the ladder like he was going to go towards the bananas, all the other 4 monkeys jumped on him and beat the crap out of him, right? So they're just sitting in a cage, freezing cold, looking up. There's bananas that they all love, but nobody's moving for the bananas, right? Okay, so they take one of those 5 monkeys out of the cage. We'll call those the old monkeys. They take one of the old monkeys out of the cage and they put in a new monkey that had not been in this environment at all. And just like any other new monkey, what did he do? He looked up, he saw the bananas, and he started to race up the ladder to get the bananas, even though he noticed all the other monkeys weren't going after the bananas. So as soon as this new monkey grabbed the ladder to rush up, all the other monkeys jumped on him and they beat him up. And every time he would try to get to the ladder, the other monkeys would kick his butt. Strange. Well, anyway, they go and they take a second old monkey out of the cage and they put in a second new monkey. So now there are 3 old monkeys that have seen this and 2 new ones. When they put in the second new monkey, what do you think? He looked up, he saw the bananas, and he rushed toward the ladder to get up to the bananas. As soon as he got to the ladder, the old monkeys, and including that one new monkey, they all rushed over and grabbed him off the ladder and beat him down, right? So they repeated this process a few more times. They took out one more old monkey and they put in another new monkey. This new monkey looked up. He sees a bunch of freezing cold monkeys, but he looks up, sees the bananas, rushes toward the ladder. As soon as he gets to the ladder, all of the monkeys jump on him again. In this case, it's 2 new monkeys and it's 2 old monkeys. So they go through the process again. They take another old monkey out and they put another new monkey into the cage. Well, they repeat this process 5 times. So now you end up with 5 new monkeys in the cage. And just as they dropped the 5th new monkey in the cage, he did what all monkeys would do. He looked up, he saw the bananas, and he started rushing toward the ladder. What do you think the other 4 monkeys did? They ran over and they grabbed him and they ripped him apart and beat him down. The interesting thing is none of the 4 monkeys that attacked the 5th monkey had ever been sprayed with cold water. So the anecdote is to help make you guys think about your purpose, and it's also to make you guys think about the why behind your behaviors. Why do you do what you do? Do you do it because you're careless? Do you do it because you're thoughtless? Do you do it because, oh, that's the way we've always done it? So my thing to you guys is don't be the monkey. And, don't be a new monkey just jumping on the bandwagon. We have a lot of that already going on nowadays. Think for yourself and make sure that your behaviors will elicit the type of responses that you want. That's all I got for today.